The Spatter Shield Roller by Mr. LongArm is our innovative paint roller with spatter guard designed specifically for interior painting projects. The key feature of the Spatter Shield roller is the adjustable shield, which practically eliminates the mess that can happen while rolling, protecting your home as well as your person. The paint roller can be attached to most extension poles with a standard threaded end or simply used by hand. The spatter shield can be removed using your thumbs by popping the shield off at the quick adjust mechanism. The quick adjust mechanism allows the shield to stay put at various angles. The medium nap roller cover is compatible with water or oil-based paints and can be switched out to tackle any job. The translucent shield allows you to see the roller while loading paint and as you paint. For ceilings, rotate the shield till it is fully under the roller. This will keep the paint from dripping down on you, or worse, your carpet or flooring. When painting walls, adjust the shield so that neither the top nor bottom edge will scrape against the wall. Be aware that the shield is forgiving and will move if it bumps the wall to help eliminate scraping. When attached to an extension pole, the shield can also be used to stand the roller up and out of the way. When your project is finished, simply remove the spatter shield. With the shield off, you can remove the roller cover for quick and easy cleanup. This has been a quick guide to the Mr. LongArm Spatter Shield Roller. If you have any questions or comments, please message us via Facebook, Twitter, or contact us on our website at mrlongarm.com.